Hi, welcome back to PEWeldBank, and today we're in the FMS, or the Fusion Management System, looking at generating reports. So this is where all your weld reports are stored, and you can enter any report through this section here. You can filter in by a number of filters through here to try to get down to the weld you require. If we just hit on view, this will pick up every weld that's been done in this system. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of welds we've done through here. So if we want to zoom into a particular date range, we can click on welding duration, and we'll just go back a short while, and we'll pick up that duration and apply view. So it's given us 2 welds within that date range. So this first one here, it's got the basic information on the screen here. We can look at this through a short report, which is basically just a summary of your welds, and we can click on that weld and it brings us directly into a 4-page report. We can also we can click here into a long report, and it gives you a wider landscape report with a bit more information on it. So we can click into the weld and straight into our 4-page report. So this one here, you can see in this 4-page report, you've got the date, your weld number, start time, and all the information you require in a report. There's actually more here than what you'd generally be asked for. Here we've got the welding company details, operator details, pipe and fittings, the manufacturer's information about your pipes, machine details, sensor details, project details, GPS locations. You get 2 GPS locations per weld, one where the weld was actually created or the weld was completed, and you can put a new location in for a secondary location where that weld was moved to. It gives you all the information about your heater plate, a checklist to see that you've covered all the relevant questions, and alignment photos and a finished weld photograph. It also goes in for this picks up the sketch that you've done on your tablet, and your OH&S information, and a signature from the welder saying that they've followed all the parameters. So that's your full 4-page report. You can also go in to a weld graph here. It gives you a zoom feature that's got infinite zoom right down to the smallest detail. So you can zoom right into, you can see this point right here is at 1.7 bar at 44 seconds in. Or anywhere else through this chart, you can actually zoom in and pick up any information you might be looking for. It also gives you the ability to export your welds. So you can click on here and select all your welds, or you can just select one weld and email that report for that weld to the project owner, be it a water board or a gas company. You just click in, you write their email in here and hit send, and that'll come up as you see it here. And the water board or the project manager can see exactly what you've done for that weld. You can also do a backup off the system, so you might want to back it up to a CSV file or to an Excel file. You can also use your filters to filter via project. So you might have a certain project you're looking at, and if you pick that project, it'll give you all the welds that were done for that project. And the same with machines. You can filter into a project, and you might have a number of different machines running on that job. You can filter into those machines. Or similarly, on that project, you might want to see what user has done what weld. So you'd do that when you select your users here. Okay, and that sums up our report section of the FMS, and thank you for watching.